Oh boy. Well, weathermen fucking suck. Memorial Day, 80% chance of rain. Didn't rain. Tuesday, 60% chance of rain. Didn't rain. Wednesday, 15% chance of rain. Rained its ass off. The only day I didn't carry my freaking rain gear, it rained its ass off. Memorial Day, didn't do nothing. Nothing. All fucking day. Because it's supposed to rain. Oh, it's supposed to rain. It's supposed to rain. And didn't do shit. Didn't make any plans for it. Staying inside. Made some plans to stay inside. It's supposed to going out and enjoying life. No. Fuck. And yesterday, sweat my balls off all the way to work wearing my rain gear. Sweat my balls off all the way home wearing rain gear. I don't give me a crap about this fucking practicality of a touring motorcycle with all the back. Fuck that. I like my naked motorcycle with nothing on it. Period. None of that crap on my bike. So I got to pay the fucking dues, and I'm bitching about it. So today rolls around, less than 25% chance of rain. I'm like, okay, cool. I'll fucking risk it. And it's done nothing but pour off and on all fucking day long. Just deluge, then stop. Deluge and stop. Apparently I got all 25% of the fucking rain. Why don't you stop a little bit further fucking forward there, asshole? What's your fucking problem? There's the white line right there. Huh? Fucking angry. Butt's fucking wet. And there are all my phone and my personal belongings all wrapped up in plastic bags from work. Like a fucking retard. Like a fucking homeless vagrant that's got all this shit in fucking Walmart bags and stuff. Tomorrow's only 10% chance of rain. Man, I better fucking pack everything. We'll probably have a tornado. Tornado, that's great. What the hell? Tornado? Really? Tornado. Jeez. Man, something smells good. Oh, and that's another. This made me fucking miss dinner. Supposed to go to dinner with my in-laws. And, yeah. Stuck at work. Dodging rain. I mean, because it was pouring. Like you couldn't see across the parking lot kind of pouring. But I'm not going to ride out in that shit with no rain gear. Rain gear? No problem. I'll go. I don't care. It's the proper gear. That's what I get for trusting the fucking weatherman. I'd like to have a job that you're right 30% of the time and still be able to keep your job. That'd be awesome. Well, I thought it was your heart. We went and transplanted. It was wrong. I'm sorry. It was really your big toe. Pissy. Pissy like a little girl. Come up with this new... Oh, you fucking tree! It fucking dripped all over me. Pop, 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 pop. I'll come up with these new things. What are you doing? What the fuck is that? God damn it. It's been a hell of a day. I love that urban setting. You fucking crank the throttle back and nothing happens. You're like, bleh. I can go straight line, put the throttle back, and it don't break tire, break loose, but honestly, the tire load's totally different. Blah, blah, blah. That shit's fucking grooved. Grooved asphalt sucks. He's like, man, I don't want to turn, but I want you to turn. And it totally feels like I'm kind of floating there. Better than being in a car, even though I don't have rain gear. amazing how fast my mood has changed. I got to a decent fucking road, got away from everybody. It's fun playing with this urban setting on this thing when it's wet, because you can still make all kinds of noise without really go anywhere. It's funny. I'm not going anywhere. I have 100 horsepower and it's still out on urban setting. And it's like, oh, I'm not going anywhere. The traction control is very active. Cut the power early. The mustache goes out of control. Hey, sun's out, guns out. Woo! Riding in the rain, don't give a fuck. Riding in the rain, don't give a fuck. Ow, ow, okay, now I give a fuck. Ow, 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 ow. Stings. Stings like a motherfucker. Because I don't have my pants on. Well, I got pants on, not those pants. That would be embarrassing, wouldn't it? Got no pants on. Hey, that was dumb. Right into the sun, but the rain is intensifying. Makes no sense. Then I rode back into it. I knew it was south. I was heading south. I was hoping I could kind of skirt around the back side of it, but I don't think it's skirting. I'm skirting faster than it's skirting the other way. Another product I want to try, I saw the store the other day, was Rain X for plastic now. They got it says safeties on motorcycle visors. I thought, hey, that's not a hell of a bad deal, but I know everybody's been using Plexus for years, not everybody, a lot of people using Plexus for years and getting good results with it. It's expensive as shit. People love it, so we'll see how that works. The regular old glass cleaner is not cutting it. Not cutting it at all. Oh yeah. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. It's really fucking pretty though, I have to give it that much. Take your time, slow down, look for the turn, reduce your lean angle. Got the sun behind me. There's got to be a rainbow somewhere. There it is. Very faint, but I see it. By the way, basic meteorology or science or whatever. To see a rainbow, the sun has to be basically at your back. You have to be between the sun and the water source. Other basic science facts, I would tell you the colors of the rainbow, but I don't fucking remember. They're pretty. That's about it. That's all I can tell you. Seen double rainbows before? Woo! It's exciting, ain't it? I'm trying to figure out why my right leg is sopping ass wet, but my left leg ain't so bad. I'm trying to figure that one out. That is weird. Oh no, now it's running down. I shouldn't have looked down. It ran right down my back. Oh, it's so cold. My back was dry until then. It's so cold. Stupid. Another thing I can tell you, those railroad tracks there are metal grates. They are slick as shit. Oh, motherfucker, big raindrop, stop. Please, please stop. It hurts so bad. No. I love how I fucking changed from being a complete, total, fucking pissed off prick mode to, yeah, once I'm wet and I fucking really can't get much wetter, you're like, yeah, fuck it, I'm here, let's have some fun in the rain, right? Mommy. You're like, hey Chris, you got a jacket on, right? Yeah, no, it's full of fucking holes. Totally full of fucking holes. Great for letting air and water through. It's fucking awesome, tell you what. I tell you what. Hey, y'all. I tell you what. I just should have sucked it up and gotten rain earlier. Fuck it. Instead of waiting. It's not like I could have gotten any less fucking wet, right? Third gear, or second gear actually. I lied. Oh yeah, she's starting to fill up in the backside now. Yeah. The Ducati M1200, Monster 1200, got this really sweet seat cowl on the back of it to cover up the pillion seat. One small problem. It's a motherfucking gutter right into your asshole. I mean, like straight in there, right up the pooper. It's pretty much getting the rainwater into me at the same time I ride my motorcycle. So thanks, Ducati, for getting me those Italian enemas. I appreciate it. Oh my, I should have never said anything about the sun. Oh wow, I can't see a fucking thing. Oh yeah, that's useless. That's more than useless. Oh no, I can't see at all. So let's keep accelerating. That always works, right? I keep blinking really fast. Like it's like eyeball wiper blades. This is the stupidest fucking thing ever. It's fucking awful. The sun, the road spray, everything. This is dumb. I almost feel like I should just go home and get the fucking soap and water bucket out there and just soak this bitch up while I'm at it. More railroad tracks. These fuckers here are wood, and they're just as slick as the metal. Hey, I can see again. Now I close the visor, I can't see again. I ain't got enough speed to fucking blow it off. That's why I want that fucking rain repellent shit. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it all night long. I'll go. Come on, Win, do your job. No, I ain't gonna do it. Get off there, Win. Can't see shit still. It's not raining hard enough to do anything. Well, guys, thank you for listening to my, I don't know, started out as a rant, and then it went to me being in a really good mood. Now, I'm not quite sure why. I guess it's just, maybe you just saw the 5 stages of grieving or something, I don't know. So, regardless, I'll talk to y'all later, and as my grandma always used to say, go outside and get the stink blowed off of you.